Hi guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to build these beautiful garden planters. It's gonna be a two parts video. In first part I'm gonna show you how to build it and assemble it, and then in second part I'm gonna show you how to paint it and finish it. For these planters I'm gonna use some pallet wood that I had laying around. Since my table saw blade is not high enough, I'm gonna run them through and then flip them over, making sure that the same face registers against the fence. This will give us two boards that are around 5 mm different in thickness, and this is required for that feature in the middle of the planters. Next I'll cut in half one thick and one thin board for that middle feature. After that I'm going to run them through my thicknesser to clean blade marks and to bring them to appropriate size. Over here you can see my improvised dust collection that works surprisingly well. After thicknessing one face side, I will stack few of them together to make them same height. Next I'm going to mark the legs to bring them to its final height, and they will be 820 mm high. After that, I'm going to mark and cut one piece for front of the planter, which is 1120 mm long, and I will use offcut from that board to cut a 220 mm piece for side of the planter. And then next I'll use that original piece to transfer the measurement on all other boards. Using my palm router, I will add a chamfer on the legs and a small round over on the middle boards. And before putting everything together, I will lightly sand all parts to 120 and then 240 grit to remove any marks from thicknesser or router. I didn't want to have any screws visible on the outside, so to attach boards to the legs, I have decided to add 19 by 22 mm supports on the inside of the legs. These supports are 220 mm long and I will fix them using some wood glue and 30 mm long screws. But before I fix them, I will measure 21 mm from both faces of the leg. This will ensure that the boards are flush with the chamfer when they are installed. I will also mark 60 mm for top of the boards and 80 mm for top of supports. Also, since the legs are 40 by 35 mm, I had to be careful how I position these supports because there are two left and two right legs and I wanted a 40 mm face to be facing front. Over here you can see how supports overlap each other and how the screws on one support are slightly to the outside so they won't come too close to the edge of the leg. Now it's time to assemble everything and I will use plastic glazing packers underneath the boards. For the thinner boards I will use 25 mm long screws and for the thicker ones 30 mm, and of course I'll add a bit of glue between all wood joints. At this moment I've noticed a gap between bottom board and the leg and decided to take it apart and redo it while the glue is still wet. Next, I'll add the bottom support. Previously I have glued side pieces together and I will attach them using the same method like on front boards. Before attaching the bottom, I need to drill pocket holes along top edge for fixing of top pieces. Holes are drilled around 40 mm from each edge and then approx 200 mm centers. Next will be to add a top decorative piece. I will first add a bead of glue, space and clamp it, and then fix it using 25 mm pocket hole screws. But before fixing the rest of the pieces, I need to add the bottom as that won't be possible later on. Next, I'll fix the rest of the top pieces in the same way as the first one. I have also filled with wood filler and sanded all the bigger holes, but for some reason that footage is lost. And that's it, planters are assembled and ready to be painted. Please watch part 2 video where I will show you how to paint and finish these planter boxes. Also, if you want PDF plans for these planters, please let me know in the comments below and I will send it to you by email for free. And if you like this video, please hit that like and subscribe button, and thanks for watching.